Wow, Aditi, such a lovely society and such a good place you live in.
Yes. In fact, we moved here in 2021 during COVID wave 2. And I think one of the best decisions of our life was to move here because it just brings you to this calm, composed environment away from your healthy, chaotic agency life.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it definitely, like, looking around here gives me a kind of a feel that you feel more connected to nature, right?
Yes, connected to nature. It is away from the hustle bustle from where we come from when it comes to our professional life. And then, of course, the road and the drive primarily from office to home is a therapy, I must tell you. So I think that therapy is something that I tell everybody around in the team also to sort of invest in. I think for me, driving is therapy and I use it quite well, let me tell you. And now Team EMD, welcome to my home.
So, Aditi, do you think that it is the people who make the vibe of a place, or do interiors play a part in it as well?
I think हर घर कुछ कहता है और हर कॉर्नर की अपनी कहानी होती है. And as agency people, I feel everything that we touch, we tend to create a story out of it. And the story needs to weave magic. And hence, I think every place, from the Noida HQ to the new Bangalore office or even to our previous offices, whatever we have developed, I do see a story and I want my people to see the story. Every element has something that it is telling you about the people and the culture. And this beautiful home that I have has different elements जो बहुत सारी cultural चीज़ों के बारे में बात करती है.
So, Aditi, I remember you were telling me a bit about a sewing machine, an antique machine that is kind of your family heirloom. So, could you tell us a bit about that?
So this is a 150-year-old sewing machine that I inherited from my great-grandmother. The idea was very simple. She thought I would be stitching something. Who knew it was stories for brands around me? And we sort of put this with a lot of hard work. Both me and my husband did quite some legwork to get this going. And the idea was, when it came alive, I think, what do you feel when a campaign goes live? That was the ideation and feeling that we got when this was finally done. Legacy, as they truly call it.
Speaking of legacy, let's talk about the legacy that you're creating. What is the core inspiration behind Emporium Digital?
Wait. Can we sit over a cup of coffee and talk about this? Come. So where were we?
You were telling us about EMD.
Yes. So I think 10 years ago, when both me and Dinesh started Emporium, we were very clear about one thing. We wanted to develop a place where people love what they do. Be it with the fashion industry's website that we did for W, or launching Kia Motors in India on their social media channels, or doing some really kick-ass work for Airtel Payment Bank. I think I'm almost mostly proud of all the work that we've done at Emporium. What truly inspires me and what I truly call as a legacy at Emporium is the second in line people that we are now creating. Ankita, Rajneesh, or people who love Emporium as much as both me and Dinesh have loved. Like Sonam, Pranav, Rashmi. I think they just keep us so humble every day. And I can't thank the clients, our teammates, our families enough for what we have developed since last 10 years. I think it just keeps us so much grounded and in love what we do.
Wow, so many people, so many memories. So Aditi, is there a fond memory that always comes to your mind whenever you think about these 10 incredible years with EMD?
Of course, a lot of them. But if I have to pick one, I'll pick up this 2017 launch of Kia Motors India on digital channels. I remember we did our first launch bucket, primarily for them, for all social media channels, and we got rejected by the Korean team. The idea was, next 12 hours, I remember we were 14 of us, cramped up in our office, and we called our homes, told everybody that there'll be a curfew, we are not going to be coming home. You'll see us only after 24 hours. And then there was brainstorming, coffee, pizza, you name it, and we had it. We did all brainstorming, did this complete bucket for 1 month for the brand to go live, and boom, got all things approved in one go. So I can't tell you how proud it is when you create content for brands and brands proudly use them on their digital channels. There is where I think the power of digital and advertising lies. And there is where we feel so empowered to work with brands around us. Oof, my chief trouble officer in making is here. Let me just check what she's doing.
Since we're on the topic of your daughter, Aditi, I have to ask about your journey as an entrepreneur and how has it evolved with motherhood?
It's not a luxury for sure. Both your babies demand your attention. So there are these two babies of yours. One is, of course, your enterprise, and the other one is your real-time human baby. And you're supposed to balance both of them. It's also helped me to prioritize my work, number one. Number two, my time. And number three, have so much of, kind of adulation for women who've been doing it since last donkey's years. I think it only makes you more grounded and more cherished about your work. And the whole aspect of prioritizing your company as well as your systems in place. I can't tell you, my heart is so much more grown with all the adulation that I have after becoming a mother.
So Aditi, did you ever feel like after having Sia, you might not be able to give your full efforts to your work?
Frankly, I never had this opinion that I can't manage both those things. But actually, when you get into that situation, you realize it's quite overwhelming and at times a little insane. Now, luckily, both my teams, that's my home team and agency team, stepped up on the occasion, and I can very proudly say that both of them outperformed each other. So while my office team held the fort beautifully, my home team, which comprises of my husband, my dad, my two moms, which is my nanny and my mother, they've taken care of everything around us so beautifully that it's just so serene to go back home and take care of your daughter. So I think one thing incredibly important I've learned with parenthood is seek for help and please seek for clarity. And here comes my chief cuddle officer. And this has been a 10 years of non-stop. Give me treats, give me attention, give me love, and all the more. Hi, Pogo. Did you have your lunch? Oof. Always a troublemaker.
Aditi, I've heard this phrase a few times now. What does tenfold triumph mean to you and EMD?
A tenfold triumph encapsulates the idea of achieving unparalleled success and transforming the agency into a powerhouse of creativity, innovation, and influence in the industry. Exceptional CX, long-term partnerships, bigger core team, and next level of team experiences, groundbreaking campaigns, and scalable solutions. With the same, of course, some robust revenue search and creating a legacy that resonates with great work.
Pretty interesting. So I heard that a little bit about Goa and celebrations and parties. So are the rumors true? Were you guys celebrating in Goa, the 10th anniversary?
So you know what happened? We sort of gave this revenue target to every teammate of ours, and there is when magic happened. You set a milestone and the team's supposed to achieve it. And there is where I think Goa came into picture. We sort of had a revenue model in our head, and as soon as we hit that, we went to Goa. That destination which is all about chill, retreat, and refreshing ourselves. And for some time, Logo Bada Kar Do was out of our lives.
Thank God for that. Now that the 10th anniversary milestone is crossed, what can we expect from EMD as your baby moves into adolescence and teenage?
More revenue, more clients, more awards, a lot more campaigns, a bigger and improved team, more teammates in the core group, and of course, the essence of all of this, doing what you love to do. Maybe we are looking at 4 days working weekdays, or getting a lot into newer Gen AI. We're also looking at newer products in big data, edge computing, and blockchain. Shh. I don't want to talk about it. I want you to keep following us to see how great we become from here on.